Hi, good evening. Happy Thursday. How many of you feel that you are stuck in very very trivial things, very routine things in your everyday life? Are you someone who is agitated, irritated about the smallest of the things? Why is this not happening my way? Why is he or she not behaving in a certain manner? Um, why does this just doesn't work out? Or such small things. Yeah, are you able to relate with this everyday life, every moment, day in and day out? Then that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. So, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach. And my topic for today, what I want to talk about is the purpose in life. How important it is to have a purpose in life. Okay. All my coaches that I have worked with, a lot of these corporate professionals, entrepreneurs, a lot of people that you kind of connect with every day, and you see they are people who are accomplished. I realized one thing: lot of them, despite all their accomplishments, didn't know why they were doing what they were doing. So that why was completely missing in their lives. Okay, and that why is actually what we call the purpose. Why am I doing what am I doing? Okay, uh, if I have to talk about myself, I look back, to the days right after my schooling. I did my engineering. Okay, why? I don't know. Probably it was the rat race that I was into because my peers were doing it, my friends were doing it. So, of course, I've opted for math, science. I have to get into an engineering course and I have to do it. And that is what marks me, separates me as an intellectual being. So, that was my why at that point in time. I did my MBA. I was into corporate for over 9 years. Thereafter, I quit my corporate when I realized that it wasn't what I really wanted at the core of my heart. Okay, so clearly that why wasn't there for me. It wasn't absolutely there for me. Then I got into pursuing anchoring, which was my childhood passion. And that is where I think somewhere I started to get close to my, I would say, purpose in life. Okay, I started to, I would say, discover the purpose in life. And finally, when I got into life coaching, when I started to make a difference to people's lives, when I started to touch people's lives, when I started to create that impact, there was an immense sense of fulfillment. Hi Bhavna. Hi Durgesh. I see both of you joining in and watching. Thank you so much for joining in. All of you who are watching live or the recorded version, please drop in a hi, say a yes if you're able to relate with what I'm saying. And we're talking about having a purpose in life. So, coming back to my purpose, so I realized that there was no defined clear purpose that I had articulated for myself. I didn't know where I was heading. And that is a clear outcome of when the purpose is missing in life, you do not know which direction you're going in. So I was just going with the flow. An engineer and an MBA will definitely get into a corporate job, and that's exactly what I did. But was I fulfilled? Was I loving it? No, I wasn't. There was no direction. And eventually I had to get out of it. When I got into life coaching, I think I was really able to connect with myself. And that is where the whole purpose comes into picture. Why am I doing what am I doing? For me, it was very, very clear the amount of fulfillment, the amount of satisfaction that I got by impacting lives, right? That helped me impact myself, that helped me get happiness myself. I think that happiness that we are all running after, I derived that happiness through coaching, through happiness coaching. And that is where I discovered my purpose in life. So, friends, what I'm trying to say here is that if you feel there is no direction. You may be accomplished, you may be earning well, you may have an amazing setup as far as your professional space is concerned, you may be doing amazingly well in your personal space, all of that is there. But still, if you feel there is lack of that fulfillment, you still feel that wow or that aha is missing in life, you really need to then look at what is my purpose? Why am I doing what am I doing in life? And most of the times you will realize that you don't have an answer. I just want to quote here. We all know Oprah Winfrey, and this one, piece that Oprah Winfrey says, I so relate with this, and I think that is what I feel I live my life by. So she said that as human being, what is my purpose of existing? What is my purpose of being here on this planet Earth? It is to be or to learn to be the highest and the truest expression of myself. I repeat, the highest and the truest expression of myself. That is the purpose of me as an individual, as a human being, of being or existing on this planet Earth. Now, isn't it beautiful? What does this really mean? Highest and truest expression of myself. अगर मैं अपने आप से कनेक्ट हो जाऊं, अगर मैं अपने आप से जुड़ जाऊं, अगर मैं ये देख लूं कि मैं हूं क्या, really who am I, and I get connected to it and I start living just to express myself, that highest and the truest level of myself, trust me, that is the purpose. That is phenomenal. And the day you discover that for yourself, the day you see that, okay, this is where it is, trust me, that direction will automatically happen. Things will automatically start to fall in place. And it's just going to be, it's going to be like suddenly you'll have all that clarity. And that is exactly what I have experienced in my life. The moment this happiness coaching happened, it wasn't by chance. It wasn't something that I planned that, okay, because coaching is so much in, because happiness is what everybody wants, so come on, let me go ahead and do the happiness coaching thing. In fact, this is something that I could relate to from within. And the moment I got this, it's like at this age, today I am 39 years of age, right? And at this age where people are already, probably at a very, the society norms, but I would say by society's norms, people are maybe in a corporate job, very well settled, doing exceptionally well for them in monetary terms, at a position level. But here I was, all willing to go all out and discover, why am I here? And trust me, the moment I got to know that, it was bliss. And now there is no looking back. Every day is phenomenal. Every day is full of smiles. It is sheer bliss, sheer happiness that I experience every day. So if you are able to relate to what I'm saying, if this resonates with you, you may feel that something is missing. This is not what, I really am up to in life. Then what you need to do is go out, discover what your purpose is. And the moment you have that purpose, this is what I'm here for. Trust me, nothing else will matter. All those small things that you are working towards today, or that you are fighting for today, or that you are struggling with today, will suddenly become immaterial for you. Trust me on that. Go ahead, do that, discover your purpose, find out why you are here. What is it, that one thing that gives you that bliss, that fulfillment, that excitement? And one more thing, it's a journey. I would say it's a journey. So please do not fear taking that journey. It's like, I was just reading one of these quotes the other day. Sometimes it takes 10 years to arrive at that 1 year that you had been waiting for. It takes 10 years to arrive at that 1 year that you have been waiting for all your life, that this is the year. And that is exactly how I feel right now, that this is that 1 year which is like very different, which is kind of redefining, which is blissful, which is phenomenal in every sense. and you will arrive at that the moment you are ready to take on that journey. Do not fear time. Do not fear, oh, I am at so and so stage of my life. Should I really be doing this? Should I be risking my career or my stuff? No, no. The immense fulfillment that you will get, the satisfaction that you will get, the bliss that it's going to give you is going to be every bit worth it. So please, 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 I would say go discover what your purpose is, work on what your purpose is. Why are you doing what you are doing? You may spend hours together, years together doing an X job, doing an X business, and you're just not you're just not being yourself. So I hope you got the message. I have been just repeating this again and again, but I can tell you it's so close to my heart. I have experienced this and it's bliss. And I want all of you to experience that bliss, that happiness. Trust me, if you feel that happiness is missing, it's because the purpose in life is just not there. So get connected to your purpose and get connected to your power of being happy in every moment. Thank you so much for staying on, for watching this. Those of you who are watching the recorded version, thank you so much. Please, please drop in your comments if you were able to relate to what I'm saying. What is your experience? What do you think about this whole game around the purpose in life? Do you feel that you have discovered your purpose in life? I'm sure many of you would have. I would love to hear from you. Hi, Ayub. So you've joined in a little late today. I'm just winding up. Hi, Divakar. Hi, Neha. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and just staying on and just love it. Okay, yes, the background has changed. I've shifted to a newer location, now. So thank you so much, and I will connect with you on Sunday evening, 7:30 p.m. And would love to have you all join in once again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great, great Thursday and a great week ahead. Bye-bye.